This is a quick and easy recipe which takes only 3 to 4 minutes of cooking time. You will be amazed at how simple cooking like this can give such a wonderful flavor. We only need 12 prawns and 2 cloves of minced garlic. To prepare the prawns, wash, cut off the spike and eyes and the legs. Remove the veins. In a hot pan, add the prawns in. And leave it to fry for about 1 minute. Add in the minced garlic at the same time. After 1 minute, turn the prawns and fry for another minute. Add about 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you notice, the prawns have curled into a C shape by now. Do not overcook the prawns. The prawns would have been overcooked if it curls into an O shape. The whole cooking process should take about 3 to 4 minutes for medium prawns. Finally, add some sesame oil. Look at the perfectly cooked prawns. Enjoy!